I think the good thing with this particular course is that it's a first step that gets you to that final step. I am studying my diploma of Remedial Massage, which I would never have thought I would have done. I'm a second-time student and I knew the teachers that were here, so there were lots of different age students. It was a no-brainer for me. It was exciting. Oh, the teachers are just amazing. They're so supportive. If you can't do something, you just ask the question. I think one of the greatest things about all the VFA trainers is they work in the industry. We were doing massages in that first week. I don't think they would realise how hands-on it is. That's why we are then very much qualified at the end of this 12 months, and it's a job in demand. You know, as an older person, just go with your heart. Do things that you want to do. And I don't think we're ever too old to learn. I can work forever, can't I?